Now, question number 103, we are going to discuss education discipline in Pakistan reflects. Yes, definitely ideology is very important. So, ideology of Pakistan is reflected in education discipline of Pakistan. Okay, let's discuss. Who say permanency is more real than change? Permanency means what? Actually, perennialism was in favor of permanency. Okay, so they were totally against to what? Progressivism. We're talking about change. जो चेंज की बात करते थे, तो perennialism में permanency is more real than change. तो इनमें ये थोड़ा सा ये दोनों मतलब थोड़ी सी क्या है, ये दोनों तहरीकें जो थी स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स बोथ वर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. Perennialism was in favor of permanency of knowledge, of reality, as well as progressivism that is concerned, they were in favor of learning by doing, they were in favor of change, like that. Okay, let's talk about being science of wisdom. Philosophy aims at search for reality. This is the purpose of philosophy. Actually, we remain busy in searching for reality, for truth. That is philosophy. This is the definition, simple definition of philosophy. Philosophy literally means love for wisdom, as it is the combination of two words, Latin words philosophia. Sophia means wisdom, philo means love. So love for wisdom is the literal meaning of this. Now let's talk about move from general statement to specific instances. And application refers to deduction method. Actually, in deduction, we assume from what? We move from general to specific. For example, if you will say that all human beings are mortal, Socrates was a human being, so he was also mortal. So it means that first we generalize, then we will what? Move to the specific instances, as we have discussed. First generally all human beings, then we specify that Socrates. When we give the example of Socrates, then definitely that will become specific instance example of that. So that means we are what? Applying deduction method here. So in simple we will say move from general to specific, that is deduction. And top down method, actually this is top down method. Deduction method is also called top down. This is also important question we should have to remember. As well as induction method is concerned, that is bottom up. Okay, and over there we move from specific to general. Okay, let's talk about another question. Perennialism is an educational philosophy of old values. As we have discussed earlier, that permanency was very important for them, for perennialism. Tradition was also very important. So old values, they gave much importance to old values. Education as the reorganization of experience is expounded by John Dewey. As John Dewey was belonging to which school of thought? Progressivism. So reconstructionism. So he was in favor of reorganization of experiences. He was in favor of change. Thank you very much. This was all about of some remaining questions.